I'm Sophie Howe and I'm the Future Generations Commissioner for Wales. My job is to be the guardian of the interests of the future generations of Wales. In the Future Generations Commissioner's Office, we've recognised that domestic abuse is probably of epidemic proportions, and therefore every workplace is likely to have someone who's been a victim or survivor of domestic abuse. In our organisation, we've got a comprehensive package from paid time off for someone to leave an abusive relationship, a grant of up to £500 or a loan of up to £5,000 to enable people to meet the financial costs of leaving. So when we were forming this policy, we worked with BAWSO to sense check what we were proposing to do in terms of any specific impacts or changes we might need to make for Black, Asian, minority ethnic people. And what they told us is that there were so many issues that they were encountering on a day-to-day basis with the women that they worked with, where employers were a real problem. Rather than being a help, they were being a hindrance. Some of them losing their jobs as a result of absence from domestic abuse, some of them losing their jobs because they had to relocate to get away from perpetrators, and that's such the wrong way around.
My name is Wanjiku Ngothomboga. I'm currently the Acting Chief Executive for BAWSO. BAWSO is an all-Wales organization that supports Black and minority ethnic communities who are victims of abuse and exploitation. This is one policy that is needed in all the employment settings in Wales. I'm very pleased that the Future Generation Commissioner for Wales has come in and put the exact support that is required for these employees. It is there in black and white, and should it be taken up by employees, by organizations, a lot more people will be saved.
If all of us saw domestic abuse, identifying it, providing advice and support as being our business, we could get right up front. And if everyone did that and recognised it was just as much their responsibility internally as anything that they might do in terms of delivering public services to the wider public, I think we could have a huge impact.